Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Mojo Launcher is updated and your device is online. This avoids sync errors during sign-up. Once done, open Mojo and navigate to Settings, then Accounts. Make sure you choose Add Account so the launcher can link services. You need an email address or phone number ready because the Microsoft form requests it immediately. Proceed now. Tapping Add Account begins the OAuth flow that lets Mojo request permissions and sync data with the Microsoft account. You'll be guided to the Microsoft account creation screen. Choose Create Account and type your email or phone, then set a strong password to protect your launcher data. Make sure to enter your name and correct birth date because services and age restrictions depend on it. Next, complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're human. This prevents automated sign-ups. Finally, pick email or SMS verification. Microsoft will send a code, and you'll need to enter it to confirm identity before Mojo can finish linking. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into Mojo and allow the permissions it asks for so the Microsoft account can sync contacts, calendar, and settings. After sign-in, check Sync Preferences to control what data Mojo accesses. This keeps privacy in your hands. If verification fails, make sure the code wasn't filtered to spam, retry the SMS option, or request a new code. If problems persist, reboot the device and try the flow again to clear transient network or app state issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.